Hi, I am Dr. Waugh Dr, the host of the What About Our Sons conference. And so I am excited for this conference. There is so much going on with our boys. And so I want to be a help and a resource to the questions that parents are always asking. So what is the conference? So the conference has 4 different workshops. You can choose whichever combination of workshops that you need to attend. One will be on mental health and medication. So if your son is struggling with mental health challenges, or you just have questions, or you want to know what to look for, we'll have a workshop on that, including if you have questions about medication and should I give him medication or should I not. We'll have a workshop on that. Maybe you have questions about behavior, how to manage your son's behavior, or what to do for behavior, and or the legal ramifications for behaviors that have already taken place or to avoid, right? So we know that our sons our sons have gotten into fights at school and parents are now pressing charges. And so that goes on their record, or all the things that are going on with phones and people sending pictures and just all the things. And so we'll have a workshop on that. Maybe your child has some type of disability and you're confused about how to navigate the school system, or you want to know more information or how to do that. Or maybe you have questions about speech therapy or occupational therapy. Well, we'll have professionals in the room that can speak to what those services consist of, what they look like, what you can expect. Or maybe you just have questions about disability in general. So we'll have a workshop on that. Then we'll also have a workshop for parents. So maybe, to deal with all this, we got to have our own mental health together and we need our own support. So we'll have a workshop talking about parent mental health support. And we'll have additional resources for parents to access services that their sons may need, or that parents may be looking for their sons. So join us September 7th from 9 to 1 p.m. at 50 Waugh Drive, which is also United Way. Look forward to seeing you there. Oh, tickets are still early bird. So when you click on the link, the price that is shown is the cost of the ticket. The discount is already applied. So no need for a promo code. All right, look forward to seeing you there.